Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay, so are we ready for today's lesson? Okay, so today in basic technology, we are going to be learning about identification of ceramics and glass. Okay, our topic for today in basic technology is on identification of ceramics and glass. Okay. So first, we are going to be looking at ceramics. Okay? Ceramics are often smooth and very hard. Ceramics can have a shiny or dull appearance depending on how they are glazed. Ceramics typically make a high-pitched ringing sound when tapped. They make a high-pitched ringing sound when tapped. So ceramics are non-metallic inorganic materials that are typically made by heating natural clay or other materials. Okay? Ceramics are things like clay pots, dishes, and tiles. They can also be high-tech materials used in electronics. Okay? Okay, so now we are going to be looking at the different types of ceramics we have. Okay? Okay. So one of the types of ceramics we have is earthenware. Earthenware is the simplest type of ceramics. It's used for things like flower pots and some dishes. It's not as strong as other ceramics. Okay? The earthenware is the simplest type of ceramics. It is used for things like flower pots and some dishes, and is not as strong as other ceramics. Okay? Okay, so another type of ceramic we have is porcelain. Porcelain is a type of ceramic that is very white and shiny. It's often used for fine dishes and figurines. Okay? Okay, so porcelain is a type of ceramic that is very white and shiny. It is often used for fine dishes and figurines. Okay? Good. Then we have another type of ceramics as stoneware. Stoneware is a bit stronger than earthenware. It's used for dishes and baking because it can handle hard, high temperatures. Okay, so the stoneware is a bit stronger than earthenware. Remember, we said the earthenware is not strong as other ceramics. So the stoneware is a bit stronger than earthenware. It's used for dishes and baking because it can handle high temperatures. Okay? Do we get that? Good. Okay, so another type of ceramic we have is refractory ceramic. These ceramics can withstand extremely high temperatures. They are used for things like hull linings and the nose cones of rockets. Okay, so these are types of ceramics. Okay, so we said the types of ceramics we have are the earthenware, porcelain, stoneware, and refractory ceramics. So we now know the types of ceramics we have, right? Good. So we are going to be looking at the uses of ceramics, okay? Let's look at the uses of ceramics. One of the uses of ceramics we have is dishes. Plates, cups, and bowls are often made from ceramics because they are strong and can handle hot food. So ceramics are used for dishes, like the plates, cups, bowls. Okay? Ceramics are also used for tiles. The floors and walls in bathrooms and kitchens often have ceramic tiles because they are easy to clean. So ceramics are also used for tiles. They are also used for flower pots. You will find ceramic flower pots in gardens to hold plants. So ceramics are used for flower pots. Ceramics are also used for space shuttles. Some ceramics are so tough that they are used in space shuttles to protect them from heat. So ceramics are also used for space shuttles. So now we know the uses of ceramics: dishes, towels, flower pots, space shuttles. Okay? So these are the uses of ceramics. Now we are going to be looking at the properties of ceramics. Okay? Hardness. They are very hard and don't break easily. So ceramics are very hard and they don't break easily. One of the properties of ceramics also are heat resistance. They can handle high temperatures, which is why they are used in things like ovens. Okay? They can handle high temperatures. Smooth surfaces. Ceramics are smooth and easy to clean. They have smooth surfaces and they are easy to clean. Okay? Another property of ceramics are shininess. Some ceramics, like porcelain, can be super shiny. Okay? So the properties of ceramics are hardness, heat resistance, smooth surface, and shininess. Okay? So now we know everything about ceramics, right? We know the types of ceramics we have, uses of ceramics, and also the properties of ceramics, right? So now we are going to be looking at glass, okay? Glass is clear and transparent, which means you can see through it. Glass has a very smooth and flat surface without any rough texture. Glass makes a clear, high-pitched sound when tapped. Glass makes a clear, high-pitched sound when tapped. So glass is clear and transparent, which means you can see through it. You can see through glass. And glass has a very smooth and flat surface. Okay? Glass is what windows, glasses, and bottles are made of. It's clear and shiny, right? So now we are going to be looking at the types of glasses. Okay? Let's look at the types of glasses. Glass is a special material that we can see through. Okay? So one of the types of glasses we have window glass. This is the glass in your windows. It's clear and helps keep the weather outside. One of the types of glasses we have is the window glass. It is clear and helps keep the weather outside. Two, we have drinking glasses. The glass you drink from, like water, juice glasses, are made of glass. So the glass we drink from. Okay? Then we have fancy glass. Sometimes Glass can be sharpened into beautiful and delicate objects like vase or decorative items. Then we have the special glass. In science and labs, there are special types of glass that can handle heat or chemicals without breaking. So these are the types of glasses we have: the window glass, drinking glasses, fancy glass, special glass. Okay? So we now know the types of glasses we have, right? So we are going to be looking at properties of glasses. Okay? What are the properties of glass? Transparency. Glass is see-through, which means you can look through it, like you can see through a window or a drinking glass. So one of the properties of glass is transparency. You can see through it, just like a window. You can see through the window or your drinking glass. You can see through your drinking glass. Smooth surface. Glass has a very smooth and flat surface. It is not bumpy or rough. So glass has a smooth surface. It is smooth and flat. Another property of glass is fragile. Glass can break easily if it's not handled carefully. So it's important to be gentle with glass objects, okay? Because glass can be fragile. It can break easily if it's not handled carefully, okay? So it is important to use it gently. Not a good conductor. Glass doesn't let heat or electricity pass through easily, which makes it a good insulator. So glass doesn't let heat or electricity pass through easily. Okay? So it is not a good conductor. It makes a good insulator. Okay? Shiny. Glass has a shiny, reflective quality. When light hits it, it can sparkle or gleam. So these are the properties of glass: transparency, smooth surface, fragile, not a good conductor, shiny. So we now know the properties of glass, right? Good. Okay, so we now know how to identify ceramics and glass, right? We talked about ceramics and we said ceramics are often smooth and very hard. They can be shiny or have dull appearance, right? And they make a high-pitched ringing sound when you tap it. We said that, right? While glass is clear and transparent, which means you can see through it. It has a very smooth and flat surface. And glass also makes a high-pitched sound when tapped. So we now know the ceramics and the glass, right? We know about the uses of ceramics, the properties of ceramics, right? And also the properties of glass and the types of glass, and also the types of ceramics. We said all that in today's lesson, right? Good. So we are going to be able to do our assignment, right? We understood today's lesson on identification of ceramics and glass, right? Good.